No.
Portland Mayor Keith Wilson casting a tie-breaking nay vote on the Save Our Services budget amendment Wednesday morning. The amendment would have restored 55 full-time equivalent positions and required a review of the impacts of these cuts.
Because the frontline workers were not consulted in these decisions and sort of asked about what would work and not work, I am very worried that we are going to break things at the city of Portland, and then we're going to have to pay the cost of fixing them later.
But that amendment would have cost about $19 million and utilized Portland Clean Energy Fund interest. The Risk Reduction Rescue Plan passed shortly after, restoring 30 positions. That ordinance coming in at about $7 million less than the other. We caught up with Councilor Loretta Smith outside the chambers. Smith voted no on the pricier amendment, but yes on the Risk Reduction Rescue Plan, which she co-sponsored.
Now we will restore our East Portland Fire and Rescue. We'll restore the North Portland Fire and Rescue. So I'm really excited about that, and I'm happy that we were able to come to a compromise.
The plan restores operational hours for 3 Portland Fire and Rescue vehicles and provides $3 million for police training. It also brings back 8 Portland Police Public Safety Support Specialists.
With 16, we'll be able to have 7-day-a-week coverage. It will be primarily daytime hours. Before, we had an afternoon shift and a daytime shift. But I think we're going to be able to, at least provide that coverage when we see the bulk of their calls being made.
Positions at PBOT, Parks, Water, and other city bureaus are also being restored. In a statement from the mayor's office, he, quote, believes this is the most fiscally responsible way to ensure essential represented positions are maintained. And council also approved a little more than $500,000 to extend pay and health benefits for laid-off employees through September. The ordinance takes effect immediately. Back to you.
Yeah, more on what it took to convince some of the more, shall we say, opinionated counselors coming up at 6:30. Thanks, Jake.